Hi everyone, I'm Sarah and today I'm here to talk about OBS Studio. So, at the end of this video, you will know what this hub is about and how to install it and how to do your first step on the software. So, first of all, OBS Studio is a free open source screen capture and screening software for Microsoft, macOS and Linux. OBS Studio allows you to capture the computer screen in real time and record it as a video or play it back as streaming media. So, first of all, I want to install OBS Studio. So, you just tap obsproject.com and you arrive on this page. So, you just click on Microsoft logo if you have a Microsoft computer or Apple or Linux. Okay, perfect. So I click on Windows, so I click on download installer and the software downloading automatically. So at the end of this download, you just must to click on a logo of OBS Studio. Okay, perfect. So on the first step, you must go on settings, first of all. Okay, so you go on outputs. So you check if the video bitrate is on this number, and if you have the recording path you want, so for me it is, and check too if the recording format is normally MP4. Perfect. So you click on apply and click to confirm. So I just click on OK before I do it before. Okay, so you must have scenes. So your scenes, you just click on the plus and you enter the name of this video. So I don't know, for me it's OBS video project. Okay, so I click on OK. I don't click on OK because I just have already. Okay, then if you want to add sources on your scene, so on your scene you had sources, you just go on the plus and you have audio input capture or audio output capture. So you click on anything you need. So if you want to add, I don't know, your face on the video, you just click on video capture device, just like this. Okay, perfect. So this, I have my face on the camera, and if you want to delete this source, you just click on this and click on the mount. So yes, I want to show the remove. Okay, perfect. So if you want to add text, I don't know, just click on OK. And if you want, I don't know, write my name is Sarah. I don't know, because it's my name, obviously. So okay, perfect. So my name is Sarah, and you just adjust your text, just like, oh, okay, that didn't work, so I just click on there. Okay, perfect. So I just want to another text, maybe shorter, it's maybe easier for you to. So I just click like that. Oh, okay, perfect. Okay, so like this, and you can, I already tell it up, adjust your text. Okay, perfect for you. Perfect. So you just delete like this. Yes, I'm sure. Okay. So if you want to add something color sources, I don't know, like this, I just want add color. I just click on select color and add purple, I don't know, like this. And I have the font. I had, okay, perfect. I have my image like in purple. Okay, if you want to delete this, it's the same program. So now subscribe to our channel if you like this video and put a blue thumb, and thank you, bye.